how to set the line width and line color. Okay, now how to change the marker type, size and color. See the syntax. Import mentorlib.pyplot as plt. Okay, mentorlib is imported and one object is created, that is plt. Now plt.plot, because plot method is used to draw the line chart. Okay, plt.plot, value of x axis, then value of y axis, then marker equals to value. Okay, then marker size equals to value. You have to specify the marker value and marker size value here. Then you can specify marker edge color also. Okay, marker value, marker size and marker edge color. See the example. Import mentorlib.pyplot as plt. Then city equals to same city I have taken, Cuttack, Bhubaneswar, Puri, Bhadrak, Jaspur. Monday, the temperature in Monday is 38, 42, 35, 37, 40, and temperature on Tuesday is 36, 40, 36, 35, 37. Then plt.x level. The level name of x axis is city and level name of y axis is set to temperature. plt.y level temperature. Then plt.plot. City, Monday. It will draw a line for temperature on Monday. Okay, then label equals to Monday. Its name will be Monday. Then marker equals to D. Okay. Then marker size equals to 5. Marker edge color equals to blue. B for blue. It will draw a marker there. Okay, to point out those marks. Okay. Then plt.plot city, Tuesday. It will draw line for Tuesday. The label equals to Tuesday, marker equals to O. Here I have taken the marker as O. That means it will draw a circle. Okay. It will draw diamond. Marker equals to D means diamond. D for diamond. O for circle. Okay. It will draw a circle or oval. O for oval. Okay. D for diamond and O for oval. Then plt.legend, we have called the legend method. Legend method will show the legend. Okay, which line is for which day. Okay, then plt.show. So the use of show method is to display the chart of the monitor screen. Okay, now run this program. After saving this program, when you run this program, the output will look like this. See the output here. Okay. This yellow line stands for Tuesday and the blue line stands for Monday. Okay, see the lines are drawn here. Okay. Now, see the markers here. Diamond is there because temperature on Monday we have set the marker as D. D for diamond. See here one diamond, 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 diamond. Okay, it will draw diamond pattern. If we use O, O stands for oval. Oval marker. See, temperature on Tuesday, the marker is oval. Okay, so this is the output of your chart. Next, pipe or navigation buttons. Okay, if you see the chart here, there are some navigation buttons are there. See, these are the navigation buttons. So, what are the use of these navigation buttons? Okay, see the buttons. First one is your home button. Next, left arrow, right arrow, four-headed arrow, zoom button. Okay, then option button, then your save button. Okay, what are the use of these buttons? First one is your home button. Home always takes you to the first or default view of your data. That means if we change our data or if we zoom our data, zoom our chart, then how to go to the default view? Just click on the home button. Okay, if you make some changes, then the home button will work. Otherwise, the home button will never work. Okay, clear? That is, if you move our chart somewhere on the screen, to the right side, to left side, or to the off or to down. Okay, that case, if you click on home button, then it will go to its default size. Then forward and back. What is the use of forward and back button? Just like your web browser, while browsing websites. Okay, in your web browser there are two buttons. One is left button, another is right button. Okay, if you move from one page to another page, then how to come back to the previous page? Just click on the left arrow button, just like this. Okay, these buttons are used to navigate back and forth between previously defined views. This is the same as web browsers. Okay, if some changes are there in your chat, okay, to move to the previous view, click on left button. To move to the next view, then click on right button. The pan or zoom button. Okay, this button has two modes. One is pan button. That means if you click the left button of your mouse, that is called pan button, and if you click right button, then that is zoom button. Okay, after selecting pan or zoom, drag your mouse to take this effective. If you select pan button, that means if you click on left button, then you have to move your mouse, drag your mouse to take this action effective. If you choose zoom button, okay, then also you have to drag the mouse to take effect, because when you drag the mouse, then it will zoom that image or zoom that figure. The zoom to rectangle. Zoom to rectangle means this button click, this toolbar button is to activate this mode. That means when you click on zoom to rectangle button, then that button will be activated. Define a rectangle region by dragging the mouse while holding the button to a new location. That particular area will be zoom. That means after selecting or activating that button, when you drag somewhere on a chat, okay, just drag the mouse to a rectangle area region. Okay, by dragging select a rectangle region, then only that portion, okay, which we select with the help of a mouse or drag with the help of a mouse, only that portion will be zoomed. Then the supplet configuration button, use this tool to configure the appearance of a supplet. You can stretch or compress the left, right, top or bottom side of the supplet or the space between the rows or space between the columns. By using this button, you can configure the appearance of supplets or the drawing area. You can change the drawing, stretch the drawing area or squeeze the drawing area. Understand? Then the save button. Suppose you want to save your chat. So how to save your chat? By using the save button. Okay, after viewing or displaying the chat on the monitor screen, if when you click on that save button, it will save your chat in form of PNG. The format is, the extension name is PNG format, PS format, EPS format, SVG format, and also in PDF format. Okay, the image will be only saved in this format. Okay, PNG, PS, EPS, SVG, and PDF. Only in this format your image can be saved. Clear?